In this episode, we're replacing the clutch.
That's another one. Scratched myself again. This is gonna hurt some people's souls. What have we done? This has been smashed. It's ripped straight through this metal. This is all gonna have to go and be remade. So shifter out, tail shaft out, pressure plate bolts out, slave cylinder out, box back, clutch out. I have to undo this bolt so I can loosen this and take the shifter out. Once the bell housing's loose, I'll undo these 4 bolts, slide the box back with the clutch, drop. We'll deal with the flywheel after that. For those of you that have done R154 clutches, I'm led to believe that you have to loosen each individual bolt, rotate, loosen all of them until the clutch is basically free. And then you can slide the clutch and box back together. I'm pretty sure this is the case. If anyone else knows otherwise, tell me so that I don't have to do it this way again.
Currently fighting for the starter motor bolt.
Get out, you Find where I threw that spanner I was just using. Oh, it's on my chest. Oh, now we're getting somewhere. Working on cars is fun. Do it yourself is fun. Built, not bought. Fun. Look at that. 1 bolt. 1 hour. Nah, it's a bit exaggerated. Who said you can compensating? Hey Matt, that sounds like progress. Oh, it is a sound of progress. I'm not mentally ready for this. As long as the clutch doesn't fall on my face. That's a sound. I don't know what to do. I need you off the camera. I actually need you off the camera so you can move that and pull the box back. Just a little bit.
It was more so the sheer terror on your face. Mario, put the camera down.
It's
I
like,
need to capture that before I turn this off.
we're gonna die.
Mario, turn it off! Mario!
Just keep going.
He's still not helping me. Mario! What do you need? Tell me if you want me to stop it.
Yeah, that's alright.
Alright, that is down.
That's a sound.
I thought that was for the memes. What a What a Do you want me to help lift?
Nah, it's alright. Woohoo! Box off. Too many launches on this one.
What is a launch? How many launches can a Mantic clutch do? This many.
This clutch has been sent to the moon.
I thought you sent it to Uluru.
Now let's this off. Actually, look at that. I think the oil definitely got in from the flywheel and it's just rooted it. Yeah, the whole thing is oily as Moral of the story, do your remain seal before doing multiple launches.
This is the pressure plate, this is the clutch disc. Here we have a brand new clutch disc and pressure plate. The amount of hot spots, you can see how hot we've got on the clutch throughout this trip. Not just this trip, throughout the few years that it's been in the car. This is our new flywheel. Behind the flywheel, the remain seal has been leaking. Through the center here, it'll leak oil. This would have come through back of the engine. Oil has made its way above and just hit the back of this while it's spinning at thousands of RPM, being thrown everywhere. And that, I believe, has worked its way to a clutch disc. I think that oil has gotten around it, which has assisted in fast forwarding the wear of this clutch.
Holy sh**.
There it is, leaking straight out of the rear main seal. There's the culprit. Now going to our brand new billet flywheel. All we have to do now, transfer this onto this pressure plate. Another injury. Alright, so I've popped it off with these after stabbing myself. That's a new injury there. Once this pops off, these go in this particular order. Take this off, take this out. That's another one. Look what that just did. Holy okay. We've got that snap ring on now. Another game. That's so sharp. I've scratched myself again. Oh, there we go. That was it. Woo! And we torque the bolts through the inspection plate. I haven't changed the oil since the trip, so I'm changing that now as well. Yes, the engine bay is still dirty. Yes, JC was here still.
JC was here still.
Oh, that'll stay forever. You're going to be catching me and Jansen and a couple of others at Beat the Blue on the 28th of October. So if you're there, say hi.